Hey everyone, if you are trying to upload a post on Instagram and it's stuck or not uploading, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy solutions to fix this problem. Let's get started. First step is to check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak, your post may fail to upload. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. After that, you can also restart your router or mobile data. Second step is to restart the Instagram application. Close the Instagram completely. Swipe off from the recent application and remove it. After that, reopen Instagram and try to upload it again. Third step is to check the Instagram server status. Sometimes the issue is in Instagram's side, so open your favorite web browser and visit downdetector.com and search for Instagram. If Instagram is down, wait for a while and try again. Fourth step is to clear Instagram cache. On Android device, you need to go to your settings, application, Instagram and tap on storage and cache and click on clear cache. On iPhone, simply hold your Instagram application and click on remove application and delete app. After that, your Instagram application will be deleted. And you need to reinstall it from your app store. Fifth step is to reduce your image or video size. Larger files may fail to upload due to compression limit. So resize your image to 1080 by 1350 pixels. Or you can also convert your MP4 format with H.264 codec. And keep the video length under 60 seconds for post. Use apps like Canva, InShot or VN to resize your content. Outdated version may have bugs causing upload issues, so you can go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram and tap on update button. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix Instagram post upload issues easily. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any other Instagram problems and I'll help you out.